Hi everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft, a new video on Business Central. Welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to customize your Business Central platform to fit your specific needs. We'll look at how to configure a list type page and a card type page, and we'll also look at profile configuration and assignment. So let's get into it. First, this is a customer card page or a card type page. Let's just say we want to personalize this view so that you have more information or you remove some information that you might not use. So you can go ahead and click on the settings up here, click on personalize, and this will open a small banner at the top, which allows you to customize the customer card view. So what you can do is, let's just say you want to hide or remove certain information from this view, you can go ahead and do it with the small red triangle here. So you can click on it and it will show you the hide option or show you other option that you might want to use. So you can do that for any of the fields that you want to remove, change, hide, and you can also do it for any section that you want to hide or remove or change. So this is how you go by and customize the existing view that you already have. Now let's just say you want to add additional fields and information into your view. You can do so by clicking on the plus field up here, and you will see on the right side it will open some of the other information that you can choose to add into your current view. So let's just say you want to add the priority, for instance. You can just take it, drag it, and put it up here, and as you can see, it has added this new field, this new information into my view for me. And so you can go ahead and choose to do that with any other information that you deem important for you. And once this is done, you can go ahead and click on done up here. And here you have it. You've customized the customer card view on Business Central. Now let's look at how we can customize the list view. So this is an example of a list view. This is your customers that you have in Business Central. So it will be the same process. You go up here, you click on the small gear, click on personalize, and you will see the small red triangle back again. So you can click on it and choose the option to move, hide, or freeze, whatever you want to do with a specific field or information. Now, if you want to add additional fields, it is the same process. You click on the plus field here, and on the right side, you will see all of the information that you can choose to have in your list view. So for instance, if you want to have the currency code, you can just grab it and drag it here, and as you can see, it has already added the new information into the list for me. Once you've done all of your changes, you go ahead and click on done, and there you have it. It's simple and it's quick and efficient for you. Now, we've looked at how to customize the different type of pages on Business Central. Let's look at now how you can configure your profiles and assign those profiles to specific people. So what you can do is you can click on the search bar up here and go and search for profiles. And so you can access the profiles roles here. So this is the pre-configured roles that Business Central already has. So this gives you an idea of the people or department who can use Business Central in their day-to-day tasks. So let's just say, for instance, if you want to customize the accountant view for Business Central, you can click on it and it will give you the snippet of information that you can choose to change here, for instance. And if you want to customize the page, you can click on Customize Page here. Now, once you click on it, what it will do is it will open a new page for you where as again, you will have the small red triangle present and that you can use to hide, remove, or add additional information that you want an accountant in your company to see on Business Central. So this is how you can customize the different pages for the different roles that are in your company. And so once you've done the different profiles configuration based on the different views that you want them to have, the next step would be to assign them. So you can click on the search bar again and click on user. So you will see it is user settings. Okay, so here we go. It's the user settings. So here again, you can see you will have all of the roles that are already set up in your Business Central. Now let's just say for marketing, if you click on the marketing, you will see the role here, the language, the region, and the user ID. So if you click on the three small dot next to the user ID, you will be able to change the role and assign the role to different people in your company. So that's how you go about assigning the different roles to different people who would be using Business Central. So that's it from me. It was just a short video to show you how you can customize your Business Central. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.